So the for the bridge, you're just gonna do the every other ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, and then we'll just pick the best ones and cut them all up later on. So nice. You ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
About a little place, it's big enough for me, and I will sit and wait for you to call me on the phone. Think I'll lay down my head, smoke the day's last cigarette. Mistakes that I had made when I lay getaway, calling out your name 'cause I've nothing else to do. So now your face has changed, no, you don't look the same. I think I might just need a little water in the rain. You still think about those years? Spend a long think about them here, and you drink your days away. You probably call me when it's too late. Mistakes I had made when I lay getaway, calling out your name 'cause I've nothing else to do. Now your face has changed, no, you don't look the same. I think I might just need a little water in the rain. Can we go back to where it began? Giving up to giving in. That might be your better end. Giving up to giving in. Things I had made, let you get away. Your face has changed, calling out your name. I had made when I lay getaway, calling out your name 'cause I've nothing else to do. So now your face has changed, no, you don't look the same. I think I might just need a little water in the rain, water in the rain. Water river rain, water river rain.
Yeah, I think that will work. I think we could find the ones that are the strong chord, just boom, 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 piece it all together. Be good with that. The bridge, I might even just make it the one chord and stretch it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, but no, that's nice. So we like take two on the guitar better, right?
Yeah.
Okay, keeper. 1 second, strums. Nice. The gum's a good effect. We'll get that on the recording.
I'm really trying not to chew.